I'm too busy to play right now. I'm making my special double-wide triple cheese meat and meteor lasagna for Liz's birthday. Can't have you underfoot just now, boy. But here's a nice bone for you.
Okay, let's have it. The bone! And it better be meatier than the one yesterday, or else. Tomorrow, see if we can get him to give you more of those doggy biscuit treats I love so much.
Almost done.
In other news, our rare alignment of cosmic forces will occur tonight. Professor Harlow Planfriends
I
explains.
know that smell. I know that smell, and I love that smell.
Yes, the dog star Sirius, otherwise known as Alpha Canis Major, is in a unique position with regard to the star Canopus and are both in unprecedented alignment with the moon.
Now, you say this could have a strange effect on dogs on this planet?
Only the very stupidest ones. In fact, a dog would have to have almost no IQ points at all to be affected.
Well, what have we here? Lasagna. Take a good look at it, folks. It won't be here for much longer.
Oh, no you don't.
It's lasagna. I have to eat it. That's what I do best.
That lasagna is for Liz's birthday party. If you so much as touch it, I'm not feeding you until her next birthday. Or the one after that. Or the one after that.
All right. I get the message, Mr. Subtlety.
I'm leaving this here to cool overnight. Don't. Just don't.
Hey, I have willpower not to eat this lasagna. No, I don't. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Maybe just one taste. All right. So there'll be one lasagna in the world that doesn't get eaten by me. It had to happen eventually.
Oh, hi, boy. Did you enjoy that nice bone I gave you? Well, the lasagna can cool overnight. Maybe I'll turn in early. Amazing. I thought for sure Garfield would devour that lasagna, but it seems he's managed to put it completely out of his mind.
I will not eat that lasagna. I will not eat that lasagna. I will not eat that lasagna. Why can't I convince myself? I don't care how much my stomach growls. I am not going to eat that lasagna.
What's that? Odie, did you hear anything in here? I can't imagine what made that... Lasagna for 10 people! Gone! And I think it's pretty obvious who ate it. Garfield!
What's the big idea?
Garfield, you ate lasagna for 10 people!
I did? I don't remember that.
I meant what I said, Garfield. I'm never going to feed you again! Good night!
But I didn't, maybe I did. It's come to this. Not walking in my sleep, but eating in my sleep. Sorry I ate that lasagna. And I didn't even know it. I bet it was good.
Oh, maybe I was too rough on Garfield, saying I was never going to feed him again. I'll tell him he'll get food again in a year or two. Garfield, I was thinking that never is a long time not to eat, so... Garfield, how could you do this? Garfield, how could you do this? And don't tell me you didn't do this. If you didn't, who did?
Maybe the pup?
Don't try to pin this on poor, sweet, harmless Odie. Odie couldn't do something like this. I've had it with you, Garfield.
I hope you brought me some doggy treat biscuits. Well, where are they? What? No doggy treat biscuits? I warned you, Runt. Hey, you're not getting away from me that easy. When I get my paws on you, you'll learn to take orders. Now I got you trapped, Runt. I was just kidding about the doggy treat biscuits. You can have them all. In fact, you can have mine. I never liked them.
I hope the TV still works.
As I have been continuously telling everyone, the odd alignment of the stars and the eclipse could turn a dog into a savage, out-of-control monster.
Gee, could that have happened to Odie?
Of course, it would only happen to a dog who was really and truly stupid.
That would be our Odie.
Garfield, I may owe you an apology. Let's go find Odie, quickly!
Coming down!
I have a hunch I know where he is.
Ah, there you are, boy. Are you okay, Odie? I think we'd better take you to see that professor we saw on the news. I called the TV station and got his address. He's on Century Boulevard.
There's an all-night pizza place on Century Boulevard.
Oh, no. There's a policeman signaling to pull me over.
What's the rush, pal?
Well, he's really gonna believe this.
It's my dog, officer. We think he may be turning into a huge, crazed monster. No, honest. A professor on TV said it was possible. We're going to see him right now.
Roll down the window and let me have a look at this monster of a dog. That cute little puppy. A monster.
Garfield, did you see what happened?
Nope. Huh? That's just your basic Odie.
Well, just in case, let's get him to that professor as quickly as possible. Sorry to wake you up so late, Professor, but we were worried.
Is that your dog might be turning into a monster because of the pattern of the moon and stars? I don't think that's possible. Not with such a harmless little creature. Also, he does appear to be quite stupid.
We had to come to a professor for that news flash?
But what if it is true?
Even if it is true, it does not matter. The particular alignment of stars that caused the change, it is over now and will not occur again until the year 3459 on a Tuesday.
Well then, problem solved. If it ever even was a problem.
Besides, I have to deal with the following alignment of the moons and stars. It may cause an eclipse that will affect cats.
Cats?
Cats?
Yes, but not to worry. If it does happen, it will only affect a very small number of cats.
Which cats, Professor?
Only the ones that consume vast quantities of Italian food.
I think I'll go see if that all-night pizza place is open.